Bonjour et bienvenue à cette leçon de français. Today we're diving into French pronouns. Those little words that replace nouns and make sentences smoother. By the end of this lesson, you'll be forming sentences like a pro. Let's begin. Qu'est-ce que c'est les pronoms? What are pronouns? Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition. For example, Marie aime le chocolat. Marie loves chocolate. Elle aime le chocolat. She loves chocolate. Instead of repeating Marie all the time, we replace her with elle. This is what pronouns do. They make speech more natural. Let's look at the pronouns in French. Subject pronouns, le pronom sujet. Subject pronouns tell us who is doing the action. Je, I. Tu, you. Il, he. Elle, she. On, one or we in casual speech. Nous, we. Vous, you. Il, they. Elle, they. Masculine and feminine. Pay attention to on. It can mean one or people in general, but in everyday French, it often replaces nous to mean we. So instead of nous allons à l'école, people say on va à l'école. It's shorter and more natural. Les pronoms objets directs. Direct object pronouns. Direct object pronouns replace nouns that receive the action directly. Je vois Marie. Je la vois. I see her. Je vois Marie. I see Marie. Je la vois. I see her. Il aime le film. Il aime le film. He loves the film. Il aime. He loves it. If the noun starts with a vowel, we use elision, meaning le or la becomes l with an apostrophe for smooth pronunciation. Il l'aime. He loves it. Il l'aime. So, in other words, a direct object pronoun replaces things and people that directly follow a verb without a preposition. So instead of saying je vois Marie, we replace Marie with la and say je la vois. I see her. Les pronoms objets indirects. Indirect object pronouns. Indirect object pronouns replace nouns that are introduced by a, which is a preposition meaning to, and indicate to whom or for whom an action is done. Let's look at the table. Je parle à Marie. I speak to Marie. Je lui parle. I speak to her. Notice the replacement using an indirect object pronoun. Lui. Nous écrivons à nos amis. We write to our friends. Nous leur écrivons. We write to them. Il donne un cadeau à son frère. He gives a gift to his brother. Il lui donne un cadeau. He gives a gift to him. Lui replaces a plus one person, and leur replaces a plus multiple people. So instead of je parle à Marie, say je lui parle. I speak to her. Instead of nous écrivons à nos amis, say nous leur écrivons. We write to them. Let's look at the pronoun en very quickly. En is one of the most common French pronouns. It can mean one or people in general, like saying they say. It's often used instead of nous to mean we in casual speech. Nous allons ensemble. On va ensemble. We go together. Notice that en has replaced nous. You might notice that some pronouns change before a vowel. This is called elision. Why does me become m with an apostrophe and lo become l with an apostrophe? We will explore this in detail in another lesson. Now it's time for some practice lessons. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. Pause the video if needed. Ready? Here are the answers. How did you do? Keep practicing and soon pronouns will feel natural. Let's do a quick recap. Today, we covered subject pronouns like je and nous, direct object pronouns like le and la, indirect object pronouns like lui and leur, the pronoun en and its two meanings, and a quick intro into elision. Great job! Keep practicing and soon you'll use pronouns effortlessly. See you in the next lesson. Merci d'avoir suivi cette leçon. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun French lessons. À bientôt!